Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be doing this graphic liner look inspired by the song Candy Moon by Harry Styles. So I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm using the Bobbi Brown primer and I'm rubbing that all over my face and waiting 5 to 6 business days for it to soak in. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the whitest shade because homegirl is pale, and I'm just bouncing that all over my face. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going in and bringing highlights to the face and covering up any imperfections on my skin, like the huge zit on my chin that could eat a small child. Now we're going to do an at-home rhinoplasty, and I'm just taking cream contour and I'm just contouring my nose to create a more smaller appearance. Taking the Laura Mercier powder on my beauty blender and just pressing the powder into the skin. I'm taking the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre and a concealer brush and priming the lids. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in taupe and just filling in my brows. Now I'm just cutting out the shape with concealer just to have a more precise brow shape. Now I'm just taking a nude eyeshadow color and just going all over the lid. So now I'm taking a face paint, and this is by Myron. It's in an orange color, and I'm just creating a wing on the outside of my eye and then going right above where my crease is naturally and creating a line. Now I'm taking a liquid lipstick, and this one is from Lime Crime and it's in the color Salem, and I'm outlining the line that I did previously. And when you're doing a liquid lipstick on the eye, make sure it is eye safe. If you don't know, you can always contact the manufacturer. I'm taking concealer on a small angled brush and I'm just cleaning up the lines because my lines, they be shaky. Using the same eyeshadows before just to set the cream. Using the white shimmering shade in the Dior Backstage Highlighting palette, and I'm putting that in the inner corners and my brow bone. Curling my lashes and using the 3D MAC mascara. And then I go in with some falsies. I'm using Casper by Likey Lashes. Taking leg warmers from my Vivid 5 Violet Voss palette, and I'm going on the lower lash line. Taking my Kevyn Aucoin Jewel Pop palette, I'm going in with the contour shade, and then I'm going to go in with the blush shade as well. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour, and I'm just taking a small paintbrush and I'm just dotting freckles on my face, making sure to keep them very irregular because the more patterns you have, the faker it will look. And then I'm patting them out just to diffuse the color just a little. Taking the highlighter from before, and I'm just highlighting the face. Using a Lime Crime lip liner in the shade Girl, and I'm just outlining my lips. Taking a Tarte lip gloss in the shade Coffee Break and just putting that all over my lips. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on other social medias linked down below, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!